ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakabenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hagajing persang manwanra kilat kilinti ban ajing Myntoi shikinong Shnong, Marcus and Marak Myntri berekmi yakatanat PHE hakakat laitre gujulio arja Hynriew, ula play ba yo Mawnongrim nakabenta ka project sam halom shngain Rynjah. Hagani gasngi na lor Myntri laydon lang do ba Charles Ping Rope MLA kanong Thamai constituency, kum musambot kongsan uba Eddie V War rang ba Shnong Rynjah, uba Penyat Sing CM, uba Gemino Myntoi kinong Shnong na lor kiwe pat. Haba ajing kren hagajing lang nagalyang uba Eddie V Waru laong bagajing duna hagate kathain kalawan ra shibun kijing ikinong Shnong bad kumta kajing wan kani ka project kan long kajing Myntoi.
Ya ka ke bangilawan ban pensngo bat bangin ut ya kajing don kam kabakum ka Shnong ka don kam. Ki officials ki jong pi hapo kajing pet ki ba sangma kajing pet ba sun bat kumta ter kilawan bat kila deble ru ya ka field inspection. Bat haba kila yo ba kalong kababyang nakabenta bangin yo ya kani ka scheme hapo ka Shnong jongi kumta hi marmar pilaya yat syahmat nakabenta ban penkre ya ka presentation bat kumju ru ban penkre nakabenta bangin la ban wanra ya kani ka scheme hapo kani ka dong lesi nganumla hi bangin len ka kalong ka budlum ya ka imlang ka salang bat ya ka Shnong hi borok we hakani ka por ka shibenta nakiliang jong kidong na preng ki nyo teli kidong apok Shnong Rynjah kani ka benta jong kadong lumsingan bat main road kilong kidong ki baka kaladuna sa Palat ngilahaban wad ikilat kilenti khamtam lele hadien bangila duno ya ko kabawan nang te na po dem tring te onda habang iwad ya kalat kilenti kakmat jong ikamla suban pa sinu lat satang sa ka department ka basay ko bat kata kalong ya public health engineering department de hapo kini kisnem hapreng survey bat hapreng shibun kijing kemi pilawan pet bat pilalam bat pilayo bakalong ka babet bat ka bapetikina bangin yo umdi ka babet ka babyang bat ka ban pendap penbiang ya ki yeng bat ya ki nongsong Shnong hakadong lum singan bat main road lesi hakani ka por ka burom ka bakhamtam ngapan pau ya MLA jongi iba Charles Ping Rope onda habang ilayo ba ka jingdot kam kalong ka bala seiso lingba kajing wan survey jong public health engineering department nilali ban ya kendu ya ban pensngo ban ut ya kajing don kam kamen siem ka bakhut ka khti ka basbun bat kajing mut kajing perkhat ka basyai iklem kernya ba di siong kan salong bet kable sibun sa ya ka benta ka baphlasiem bat lesi ba ngisayo ya kani ka benta ka ba nganong hakmat jong pi boro lesi kani ka sin ka baning kong kabangin yo ka project kabalajan kot ho Klur hapo ka Shnong jongi de kalong ka burom sisa nakabentai MLA badi ka public health engineering department kabalale yang ka kam nakabenta bangin yo yang ka benta so bahang ini thap ketilang nakabenta ka burom ke jongi
Nakaliang uba Charles Ping Rope ulaong bakumu MLA uyo baka kalong kejindan kam ka bakongsan bat kum tau la ai kuble yikinong kit kam Shnong kibletre shitom dan pinsngo yu halor kani ka benta nalor ka tau la pinbanaru ban ai sa sanlak sa Shnong Rynjah nakabenta bante ka yeng dorbar Shnong.
Dedication of our Honorable Minister Marcus. A lot of schemes have been provided all over. In fact, in the year 2023 Marcus had even come to Nongra to inaugurate the JGM scheme and personally interceded to ensure that this water supply would be provided there. It has now, Honorable Minister, let me remind you that that scheme is now functional and the people of Nongra are getting adequate water supply. I've been informed by the Chief Engineer too that there are schemes which have been sanctioned for Lumio Blot, that is in my constituency, and also in Hynriew, that also will be sanctioned soon. So Myntoi is getting a lot of schemes. I must thank the Honorable Minister for taking special care of this constituency. and of course our Rangba Shnong, who keeps on badgering me about all the different schemes that he requires for the Rynjah. And I want to declare here also that in addition to the 5 lakhs which we had given under the SRWP scheme for the construction of this hall, I have earmarked another 5 lakhs for Rynjah, not because there was enough funds, but because I couldn't refuse the Rynjah Shnong for constructing this building which will house the community hall and the office of the Rangba Shnong. But ngam la kem de pen pawi ke jing songo yaki office ke jonga. Hapo ke jing elam jung ba Alan Lingdo, belong president, iba lam lam kupar shang pliang secretary, iba lakshang belong treasurer, jonga constituency junga. But boro ki balai treshitom lang banya coordinate but ko office jong ka chief engineer jong ka PhD but honorable minister ru bakani ka scheme kan urlong and menta kasngi ngar dap der jing kwen ko khrao ba ega jing ang not jong ki sengkin thei senglong kme jong ka lum shngain Rynjah klayo ega scheme ka ba God kumba new Klur mo tenga ngetsem pada kaniga scheme kan sapin biang ia ka jing dan kam jung pi habadi bergo mamundi. Once again I thank the Rangba Shnong. We also have the president of the Sinjoki Rangba Shnong Nong Tumai Pulun Bana Bantili Nari, who is very active also in the localities of Nong Tumai, especially during the COVID-19 endemic, where all the Rangba Shnongs and Nong Tumai took a big and played a major part to ensure that everyone in Nong Tumai constituency did not have to go hungry or sleep in bed without a full meal. Congratulations goes to all the Rangba Shnongs, 15 Rangba Shnongs of Nong Tumai constituency. I admit I was a little nervous at times. Hynriew, today their efforts with the directions of the Shnong has concluded in this beautiful morning where the Honorable Minister, Ba Marquis, will unveil the inauguration slab. I have always wanted that every Shnong, wherever it is, all over the state, should have potable drinking water, which is the basic necessity of every human being.
Nakaliang Marcus and Marak ulay thu baya ka project sam Rynjah lamang hagajing lut ka Hynriew point new po art Klur but shen ansdang no ban Myntri ka project ulo ang magani ka project kan ajing Myntoi ki Shnong ka Rynjah marki Shnong marjan habe day ba jindan kam ka umbam umdi.
The project the Rangba Shnongs wants to have a small program here in Lumsnai. I was very happy. In fact, it was fixed for 6th of this month. But as has been mentioned by our honorable local MLA, I was not well at that point of time. So considering my health, it was shifted to this today. So I would want to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Rangba Shnongs and all the executive members of Lumsnai community here. Dear friends, this project is costing around 6 crores. 6.71 crores. And it has been sanctioned very recently. And for this project, as has been mentioned by Rangba Shnong, ED we were, but Charles, local MLA, and also the former MLA, Pinat Singh CM, were following up with the concerned department and also with my office. So I would want to congratulate local MLA, Pinat Singh CM, and all the Rangba Shnongs of this Lumsnine community. Dear friends, water is a life. The government of India has also launched, along with the state governments, called Jal Jeevan Mission, to give potable water to all the citizens of the country in the year 2019. That means the government's commitment to give potable water to each and every citizen of this country, along with the state governments. So here in our state also, apart from some urban water supply schemes, the way we are doing today, the government of Meghalaya, in support of government of India, has launched JJM in the year 2019. Way back in 2019, if we recall, the coverage of household tap connections in entire state is only 4,550 households in the rural areas. 4,550 household connections in the rural areas. I'm not talking about the urban areas. And in terms of percentage, it was 0.70%. Where we stand today? Today we have already covered 5,46,000 plus households. In terms of percentage, 84%. That means the seriousness of the government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, and also here PHE department, all our officers are doing very well, sincerely and dedicatedly working day and night to provide potable water to our people. So friends, it's a great moment. Today we are going to unveil the water supply scheme for Lumsnine locality here in Rynjah. This was possible only because of positive support and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who is always positive. Whenever his colleagues, ministers would demand through department or through different systems, he would patiently hear, and he would definitely think of sanctioning the project based on the necessity, based on the demands of the people. So therefore, I would say that even if I wanted, even if our local MLA wanted, even if our former MLA Pinat Singh CM wanted, along with Rangba Shnongs and the community, I would not have been able to sanction this project. It was possible only through the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, who was very generous and very pro-people in his approach. So therefore, we should thank our Honorable Chief Minister, whose vision is driving our Meghalaya state. Our Meghalaya state, the growth is very fast. Today, we are fastest growing economic in the country, Meghalaya state. Yesterday in the Shillong Times, it came out that our Honorable Chief Minister was attending the Niti Aayog meeting in Delhi, where he was mentioning about the GSDP of Meghalaya. It was 29,508 crore in the year 2018. Where we stand today? We stand today 59,626 crore in 24-25. Means our economy is growing very fast. And which is why It's visible in entire state. So many developmental activities are happening. Even in Shillong, we have seen New Shillong Township. Lots of developments are happening there in New Shillong Township. Government is contemplating to shift the secretariat there. The works are happening 24 hours a day. Assembly buildings are nearly completed. Hopefully, next session will be conducting there in the new assembly complex. PHE department has already started the new Shillong water supply scheme. Initially, it was for 500 plus crores, and the work already started for new Shillong water supply scheme. That water supply scheme will cover entire new Shillong township along with 32 localities there in the new Shillong township.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing Myntoi ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.